I'm in no rush because I gotta get my fucking sandwiches. But every day we doing the same thing. I get the coconut soap. Believe it or not, it actually took out the ink in my jeans. I sat on something and I was like, what the fuck, dude? And I got all my shit. And I actually have a picture of this. It was like someone had a little, there she goes, she took it up. A little pen, like a ballpoint pen on my jeans. And it actually took the ink out of a nylon mesh shorts that I had. Coconut, y'all. It takes the fatty parts away. So it actually takes just like the real oil parts that we get from us. This is a natural, these are all the beers behind me. Natural oils. It's almost like just the glycerin and the lye and the soap. And it binds with the coconut because coconut has fatty acids in it. Obrigado.